up? It's Elaine. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, you are welcome here as well. And today I'm gonna take you on a drive to Daiso and we're gonna get some makeup products there, and I'm gonna try to do a full face makeup using Daiso makeup. Let's go. This is too light. I honestly don't like any of the colors. I'll just go with this. Guys, they're kind of low on stock, so I'm like really confused. They don't have eyeliner. Alright, I am back with all the makeup products. The total was $16.46. And I bought eyelashes, foundation, concealer stick, makeup brush, eyebrow pencil, lip gloss, and an eyeshadow palette. And what I couldn't get was eyeliner and blush. I'm either gonna be happy or sad by the end of this video. Okay, first with the foundation. It's gonna come out. Oh, hey! I could, hey. Smells like vanilla plastic. This is matte, huh? Yeah, I feel matte. Alright guys, what do you think? Honestly, I think it looks good. The color matches really well. The coverage is pretty nice. I would say this is 9 out of 10. It's pretty good. Okay, next is a concealer. There was no like bronzer or anything, so I'm just gonna use this as my contour. This is really dark, but there was like no other color, so. Hopefully this blends. It's so dry. Oh, okay. Honestly, that concealer blended really well. Better than I thought, although it was like really dry. And the color is like matching pretty well too. And it's like kind of sticky. And it doesn't feel the best. I'm pretty content with what I have so far. But this thing, I would give this a like 4 or 5. Okay, next, I'll go with the eyebrow pencil. So I would want to get like a dark brown. But there was only black. So I just got black. It's pretty skinny. And it's like an upside down cone shape. Oh, do you guys see that? Do you guys hear that? It's super dry. I'm just gonna go a little like lightly. Guys, it doesn't look bad at all. It looks really natural. Cause my eyebrow color is this color, you know what I'm saying? But like the texture and the feeling that I have in my eyebrows does not feel too good. Kind of like, it feels very thick. Like maybe like chalk on my eyebrows. So I would give like a 6, 7. I want to move on to lips because I look a little dead. Oh my, this is matte too. I'm dead. Oh, it smells good. This color, not the best. Oh my gosh. It's very pigmented. It's a little bit sticky and matte. I'm not really used to matte lipstick. Oh, there's nothing. Okay. I would give this one like a 7, 8. Now, I was so ready to be disappointed at every single product. But hey guys, it's working. Next, brush. Okay, now low-key, I'm ready to be disappointed at this because all like drugstore like eyeshadows are never good. What was that? I'm kind of getting excited at this. So I'm just gonna do the usual makeup that I do. I'm just gonna get this brown that I just touched right now, and it was like super pigmented. It's like so much more pigmented than I thought it would be. And I'm gonna put this color on my under eye. Okay, with this and this black color, I'm gonna mix it. let me add a little bit of this. I should have gotten like a different color lip. It looks like my daily makeup. Well, there is a little like glitter looking thing right here. Yeah, there's a lot of like white, not much glitter. We will go to our last but not least, eyelashes. And the glue came with it. I am gonna use this glue. So I would have to cut this probably. Very interesting. Is it even going on it? The glue's so watery. I hope this is like a strong glue or something because like there's barely any product trying to stick onto the thing. Oh, it's sticking so well. I want to lift it a little bit in the front. Okay. I'm done with the makeup and I'm still pretty shook. I'm still really shook like how well it turned out. I expected my eyebrows to be like Janggu and I expected my eye makeup to be like barely anything. Eyelashes are okay. For eyeshadow, honestly, I would give like a 6, 7. So eyelashes, I would give a 4. My camera just died, so I'm here with my phone. If you guys had fun, if you like this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. And also don't forget to subscribe and leave me a comment for any recommendations or anything. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye!